Your kitchen counter is tiny, but your coffee taste is not. Today, I'm ranking the 5 best compact espresso machines that fit on a small counter without swallowing your whole kitchen. I've tested footprints, steam wands, and warm-up times, and I'm ranking these from decent to the best one overall. I have shared links to the best deals on the featured picks in the description below, so make sure you check them. Now let's start the countdown. Number 5. CASABREWS Espresso Machine. This one earns its spot on a budget counter. The footprint is small, the steam wand works fine for a basic milk foam, and the drip tray comes out for easy cleaning. Where it falls short is consistency. The pump pressure swings a bit shot to shot, so if you're chasing a repeatable espresso pull every single morning, this machine makes you work for it. Great starter pick, not a long-term daily driver for a coffee nerd. Number 4. DeLonghi Dedica Deluxe Dutematic Espresso Machine. Now we're talking about real counter efficiency. This thing is skinny, like fits in a cabinet gap skinny. DeLonghi built this specifically for people who don't have room to spare, and it shows. The steam wand is surprisingly capable for its size, and the automatic dosing takes some guesswork out of your shot. The trade-off is the portafilter is smaller than most, so you're limited on how big a drink you can pull without babysitting it. Solid daily machine, just know its limits. Number 3. Breville Bambino Espresso Machine. Breville trimmed the fat here and it works. No screen, no frills, just fast heat up and a thermocoil that gets you a shot pulling in under 3 seconds of warm-up. That speed alone makes this a weekday hero. The steam wand is manual, so there's a small learning curve on texturing milk, but once you get the hang of it, this thing punches way above its size. If you want small and fast without paying for extra features you won't use, this is your machine. Number 2. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. Take everything good about the regular Bambino and add automatic milk texturing. That's the plus in one sentence. The auto steam wand reads the milk and stops itself at the right temperature, which means less standing there watching a thermometer and more actually drinking your coffee. It's still compact, still fast to heat, and now it makes lattes almost as easy as drip coffee. If you're a milk drink person on a small counter, this is close to unbeatable. Number 1. Gaggia Classic Evo Pro Espresso Machine. This is the one. The Gaggia Classic Evo Pro has been the go-to entry point into real, serious espresso for years, and this Evo Pro version tightens up everything people used to complain about. Commercial-style steam wand, a proper 58mm portafilter like you'd find on machines twice the price, and a solid steel build that doesn't feel cheap or wobbly on your counter. It's compact enough for a small kitchen but built like it belongs in a cafe. If you want a machine you can actually grow into, dialing in grind size, pulling ristretto shots, steaming like a pro, this is the one that rewards the effort. Best pick on this list, hands down. And those are my best 5 picks. Links to every single one of these machines are right there in the description box, so go check the latest deals. If this list saved you from buying the wrong machine, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And drop a comment telling me what's sitting on your counter right now. I want to know what you're brewing with. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.